Cancer, the second leading cause of death in the United States. Intensive research into its origins and development has spawned remarkable scientific breakthroughs, perhaps none more significant than our next great discovery. To find out about the discovery, I caught up with two Nobel Prize-winning cancer researchers, Michael Bishop and Harold Varmus, at the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York City. Varmus and Bishop first joined forces to research cancer in the 1970s. At the time, there were several prevailing theories about the cause of the disease.
The malignant cell is complicated. It's not just a cell that can replicate indefinitely. It's a cell that can invade, elicit new blood vessels. It has a very complex capability.
One theory concerned the Rouse sarcoma virus, a virus that caused cancer in chickens. When the virus attacked the cells of a chicken, it inserted its genetic material into the host's DNA. According to the theory, the viral DNA later became a cancer-causing agent. A second theory suggested that once the Rouse sarcoma virus inserted its genetic material into the host cell, the cancer-causing genes didn't activate themselves, but remained dormant until triggered by outside influences, such as harmful chemicals, radiation, or even viral infections. These cancer-causing genes, called oncogenes, became the focus of Varmus and Bishop's research. It was a landmark discovery. Varmus and Bishop found that the cancer-causing gene was already present in the DNA of normal, uninfected chicken cells. Even more remarkable, they found it in human DNA as well, proof that the seeds of cancer may already be inside each of us at the cellular level, just waiting to be activated. How can one of our own genes, which we've had all our lives, cause cancer?
When cells divide, mistakes are made. They are more frequent if the cell is stressed by
Cosmic ray.
Cigarette smoke.
Cigarette smoke is a good example. It is important also to recognize that when cells divide, they have to copy 3 billion base pairs of DNA. And anybody who's ever tried to type something knows that it's not easy to do that. We have spell check mechanisms that allow detection of mistakes and repair of those mistakes, but still, things slip through when you're doing things on such a large scale.
So why is this a great discovery?
That difference between the gene in the virus and the gene in the cell exemplifies the fundamental way people were trying to think about cancer, and we now do think about cancer, that small changes in particular genes in our cells can convert cells from controlled regular growth and other behavior to the behavior of a malignant cell. And this really was the first direct illustration of that sort of thing.